Hello everybody, welcome to MachineStation. My name is George Rivera. Today we're going to be taking a look at the HARDINGE BRIDGEPORT 1000 XP3. Now this machine comes with a Fanuc 18i MB CNC control. You've got your 12,000 RPM high precision spindle with through spindle coolant. You've got a 30 station side mount automatic tool changer, a PCMCIA card slot with RS-232 port as well, rigid tapping. The machine is in beautiful condition. For full specifications and capabilities, I'm going to go ahead and list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine and hear how it sounds. Well, there you have it, the HARDINGE BRIDGEPORT 1000 XP3. For any further questions at all, call us at 909-919-9600. Email us at sales@machinestation.us or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time.